Hello and welcome. This is Tisi Barnabas. You're welcome to this channel that helps you and gives you all the tools and the techniques you need to succeed as a self-published author. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how you can add your personal account to Payoneer in order to receive payments. To start with, what is Payoneer? Payoneer is a third-party system that helps you to receive payment directly into your account, into your bank account, especially for those who are not in the first world countries who cannot add their bank accounts to sites such as Amazon. For instance, if you are publishing your books on KDP, you'll be unable to add your personal bank account if you are not a first world citizen. Payoneer comes in to bridge that gap and allows you to have a US or UK bank account that you can add to your KDP account in order to receive payment. So when this payment gets into your Payoneer account, if you want to withdraw them to your personal or home account, then that is where adding your personal bank account comes in. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can add your personal bank account to Payoneer in order to receive payment into your personal bank account. Now let's log in. Click on sign in. And once you do that, you simply need to put in your email address as well as your password and log in. Once you log in successfully, you need to go to settings and then you see a drop down menu and click on bank accounts. Now, once that opens up, you need to click on bank account for withdrawal. And now you will see that there is an option here for you to add accounts. Now you can add up to 3 accounts. I already added 2 accounts and they've all been approved. I am going to be adding the 3rd account just to show you how easy it is to do this in your Payoneer account. You simply click on add bank account and then you will select personal. If it is a business account, you can go ahead and select business. But I'm going to be adding a personal bank account, so click on personal. Of course, your country, you can choose based on your country of location. For mine is Nigeria, and Nigeria is there. And then you can select the currency you want. Nigeria, our currency is Naira. I'm going to choose Naira. And then I'm going to hit next. On the next page, I'm required to put my bank name, account holder name, as well as the account number. I am going to do that right now. So the bank I'm going to add is Sterling Bank. I have Sterling Bank there. And my full name is right there. And then I'm going to be adding the account number right there. And once I have added all the details that are required, I'll click on confirm and hit next. And once I hit on next, the next thing I'm demanded to do by Payoneer is to add my date of birth, which I'm going to do that. And that's done. And next I am asked to add my Payoneer password. Of course, my password is already there. And then I'm going to be clicking add bank account. And boom, my bank account has been added successfully. I'm going to be receiving an email from Payoneer. Let's check my email briefly. Now, remember, Payoneer said my account approval can usually take up to 30 minutes. So once my account is approved, I'm going to be receiving an email in my inbox. And once I receive that email, I'm going to wait for the period of 30 minutes and say, once I receive the email, I'm going to be showing you. In some cases, for instance, you are adding your account for the first time, it might take longer. Look at what they wrote down below. Say in some cases, it can take up to 3 business days to complete approval. But because I've been using Payoneer services for a while, I believe that it's not going to be taking up to 3 days. It might take 30 minutes or less to have my account approved. And once it is approved, I'm going to show you the approval email as well. Now you can see that Payoneer has sent me an acknowledgement email acknowledging the fact that I have added a new bank account and it is going to be reviewed. So once the review is done and if my account is approved, then I'll receive another email telling me that my account has been approved. And boom, just like I said, less than 30 minutes, my email has arrived telling me that my withdrawal method has been confirmed. You can see that that account has been confirmed. So now I can receive payment using the Sterling Bank account I just added. I believe this system will work the same for your country if you just follow this step-by-step guide I've given you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do well to like it, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe. And if you are new to Payoneer, you haven't found or created a Payoneer account yet, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description. You will just go right there and use my link and sign up for Payoneer, and you will stand a chance of winning $25 straight up. Thank you very much and see you in our next video. Till then, stay calm.